Hey everyone, so Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Hernandez Drive. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom, single-story estate that offers many upgrades on the inside, a 3-car garage with RV access, a near 1,800 square foot fully permitted workshop, and best part, breathtaking mountain, lake, and city views of the entire valley, then this may be for you. Let's head on in and check it out. Welcome home, featuring a formal living room with exposed wood beam vaulted ceilings and a grand brick wall fireplace, plantation shutters, wood tile flooring, and upgraded baseboards throughout that enriches the home. A formal dining room with plenty of natural lighting and custom light fixture. And a spacious kitchen with double ovens, stainless steel appliances, modern white cabinetry, a large walk-in pantry, pendant lighting, a farmhouse sink, travertine backsplash, bar stool seating, and a massive center island that opens up to the family room with the fireplace. And don't forget the fully permitted and insulated near 1,800 square foot workshop. With a bathroom and basketball hoop. With RV access, no HOA and no metal roofs, and a backyard with complete privacy, this home is a must-see. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Hernandez Drive. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters!